This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called Fastholidayshoppingcom. Fastholidayshoppingcom. It is actually called hijacker because it changes a lot of crucial browser settings once it gets installed. Fastholidayshopping.com actually hijacks the default search engine. So when you start submitting some search queries, you may soon notice that the results are delivered by some other search engines not chosen by you initially. This could be Bing, this could be Yahoo, or this could be Fastholidayshopping.com or some other third-party website. And the results delivered by these search engines are not really relevant. They are often mixed with a lot of ads and sponsored links. You should remove any related browser extensions from Chrome. So access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By the way, the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.